Good morning. Little update on the garage. You can see the roots down there. Coming up to the garage, we know there's some issues here. We've talked about that before. Issues inside and out. Big update today. Not going to be doing any further work on this garage. Why? Why won't you be doing further work on the garage? We had carved out the next several months of our lives to watch the updates and follow it with bated breath. Well, here's why. As we look in here, I mean, the rot just continues there. It's a very old building. I don't think it was built very well to begin with. One thing I do like is it used the actual dimensional wood here. Like this is 2 inches across here. So this 2x6 here is actually 2x. There's some good wood in here. Maybe some of these rafters going across and some of the wood up in there I can salvage, we'll see. But I'm moving on. Got some new plans for this area out here. I've got all of this space in between that building all the way out to the back. Got some big plans for that, and I'll be sharing those in due time. Stay with me. Hope you're having a great weekend. Hang loose. My little finger doesn't want to be very loose over there. Look at that. I can't even do the correct hang loose sign. Oh man.